Welcome to Pipe Stem Feeders. This feed yard is located in Carrington, North Dakota, and is home to the Eastern Dakota Cattle Feedout Project, a project sponsored by North Dakota State University's Carrington Research Extension Center. The Eastern Dakota Feedout Project contains cattle consigned from cattle producers across North Dakota, and these calves are then fed to finish in this feed yard and shipped to slaughter to Nebraska. As you can see, it's a nice warm sunny April day. The cattle are either resting comfortably, laying on the ground in the far pictures or in the straw, or eating out of the feed bunks. This particular project takes cattle producers cattle in December. They're weighing around 700 pounds. They're placed on feed and fed until finish, and they'll go to market in May and June of this year. These cattle are exceptionally growthy. They do quite well, they marble quite well. We do ultrasound on the cattle, and as you can look in the top of this particular calf's back, you might be able to see the clipping done for ultrasounding. As we look at the rest of these calves out here, we can see that they're getting fairly close to market, and with this the producers will learn more about marketing cattle on a grade and yield basis, where you're paid premiums for quality and high amount of muscling, and discounts for feeding cattle too fat, light muscled, overweights, and learn more about the marketing structure of feeding cattle. The ration that's being fed is a corn distiller's grain based ration. It performs very well, and the cattle are able to get an exceptional gain. These cattle have been averaging somewhere between 3.8 and 4.2 pounds per day gain during the past, since they've been placed on feed. It's an exceptional group of cattle, and if we go to taking this picture not on a nice sunny day in April, but in December, we'd see quite a bit of snow on the ground and conditions that you'd say might be adversarial to feeding cattle in North Dakota. But part of the opportunity with this particular clip is to actually show you that feeding cattle in North Dakota can be very productive and do quite well. If you have any questions, by all means, please contact Dr. Carl Hoppe at the Carrington Research Extension Center, part of North Dakota State University, located at Carrington, North Dakota.